Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Debbie. Thank you so much for clicking that button. So today's look, you guys, I am so happy with. I feel like it's really a nice monochromatic look. It is like in the mauve rosy tones. I also did a liquid liner today, you guys. I don't really do that a lot, but I did do that today. I was kind of in the mood. So yeah. If you guys want to see how I came up with this beautiful monochromatic look right here, then just keep on watching. Alright guys, so I'm just going to jump right into the video. Today I'm going to go in with the Morphe 35V palette. And I'm going to go in with these shades right here in this area. So I think I'm going to start off with this shade right here. And this one is called Go Nude. So I'm going to apply that all over the lid. I'm going to go in with a Morphe M441 brush. And I'm just going to apply that all over, even onto the brow bone. All right, for the next shade, I'm going to go in with Scandal. And I'm using the same brush. Alright, so for the next shade, I'm going to grab my small tapered blending brush. This is an E45. And I'm going to go in with this shade right here. This shade is called Risque. And I'm just going to apply that onto the outer corner and then bring it in. So basically, I'm just sticking the brush into the socket, just like that. Alright, now that I'm done with that color, I'm going to go in with In the Zone, which is this shade right here. And I'm going to use the same brush. Alright, for the lid shade, I'm going to go in with this shade right here. This one is called Heartbreaker. And I'm just going to grab a shader brush, which is, which one am I using? This one is from a BH Cosmetics brush kit, but any shader brush will do. Today I'm actually going to go in with a brand new eyeliner that I purchased. This one is from Jessie's Girl. It's a liquid liner. Alright guys, so I want to let you guys know about this eyeliner. This one actually stopped working after I used it on this eye right here. I really wasn't able to finish this eye with this liner from Jessie's Girl, so I went in with this one right here. This is the Revlon Color Stay Skinny Liquid Liner. This is absolutely the best liner ever. Since they discontinued the NYC liquid liner, this has been my go-to liquid eyeliner if I do use it. So yeah, definitely pick this up if you are trying to master your eyeliner. This is definitely really good. Alright, so now the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to apply lashes off camera, and once I'm done, I will be right back. Alright guys, I'm done applying the lashes, and the lashes I used today are the same lashes. They are the Kiss number 11 lashes. I really love those. As you can tell, I use them all the time. But now moving into primer, I'm going to go in with this one from Mercier. This is the foundation primer, the hydrating one. So I'm going to go in with this one first, and I'm just going to apply it all over. I'm also going to go in with the Benefit Porefessional primer for my pores. Alright, for foundation, I'm going to go in with this foundation again. This is the Makeup Revolution Conceal and Define Full Coverage Foundation. This time I used a hydrating primer because the first time that I used it, it did feel a little dry in this area right here, which is my problematic area. So I decided to apply a hydrating primer. I decided to apply a hydrating primer this time for this foundation because it is super, I mean, it's matte, but it still feels super comfortable on the skin. So just because it's matte, don't like, you know, think it's going to be very uncomfortable or anything like that. It's super comfortable and I really actually like this foundation. So I'm just gonna test it out with the hydrating primer. I'm also going to add a little bit of my Mario Badescu facial spray. And to blend everything together, I'm going to go in with my Real Techniques sponge. For concealer, I'm going to go in with my LA Girl Pro Conceal in the shade medium beige. To contour, I'm going to go in with my Makeup Revolution foundation stick in the shade F13. I'm going to take my Sigma Round Kabuki, this is the F82, and I'm just going to blend that. And you guys already know I'm going to go in with this brush for BH Cosmetics to blend out my nose. I'm going to go over everything with a sponge really quickly. To set my under eye, I'm going to go in with my RCMA powder. To bronze up my face today, I'm going to go in with my Wet n Wild Megaglow contouring palette. Going back into the eyes, I'm going to grab this shade in the Zone and apply that on the lower lash line, and I'm grabbing a Sigma flat definer brush. I'm going to grab a little bit of the shade Scandal and just go over that shade that I applied before. Alright, now I'm going to move on to lips, and for lips I'm going to go in with MAC's lip liner in the shade Soar. I'm going to go in with two shades of lipstick. These are from Gerard Cosmetics. I have the shade Vintage Rose and Buttercup. And since we're in like that pink mauve tone, I guess I'm going to go in with this highlighter from Wet n Wild in Precious Petals. Alright, to finish off the look, I'm going to go in with this NYX Dewy Finish setting spray. Alright guys, so this is the final look right here. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, give me a big thumbs up. Don't forget to turn on your post notifications to get notified of when I upload any future videos. And also don't forget to like, share, and subscribe if you haven't yet. And I will see you guys on the next one. Bye!